What's the meaning of crème brûlée? Crème brûlée. Crème brûlée.
Crème brûlée. Crème brûlée. Crème brûlée is a classic French dessert consisting of a rich custard base topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. It is typically made with cream, egg yolks, sugar and vanilla, and then baked in a water bath to achieve a silky smooth texture. The dessert is then chilled, and just before serving, a layer of sugar is sprinkled on top and caramelized with a blowtorch or broiler to create a hard, sweet shell. The contrast between the crunchiness of the sugar top and the creamy custard underneath makes for a decadent and luxurious dessert.